Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the past, Hakka farmers from Shitan and Dahu Township in Miaoli County used bamboo of alpinia leaves to make the gold and silver paper used for ancestor worship. 7 years ago, the Miaoli County Community Museum Development Association decided to revive the handmade bamboo paper business. Each piece of paper is made of a combination of alpinia leaves, tea leaves, and petals, creating a unique work of art. The business has expanded into notebooks, lampshades, bags, and other product lines, updating a traditional Hakka handicraft for the 21st century.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And, we take you to places, we introduce people that has to do with the Hakka culture. We teach you how to cook a dish up sometimes. 但有的时候呢，我们是要来跟大家聊聊一些跟客家文化有关的物品好了。
物品。
Arts and crafts that have to do with the Hakka culture.
有，我们在早期在苗栗县石潭乡、苗栗县石潭乡、还有太福乡这些地区呢，有些农民会用竹子做给来做，在扫墓的时候一定会用到的金云子，
就是那个金银，
就是金子啊，对，烧的银子。
对。Okay. We just had our tomb sweeping day last month, right? And during that time, a lot of people have to burn these paper, to kind of pay respect to the ancestors.
超噶。
OK， 那这跟我们现在要讲的东西什么关系？
我们要讲的就是我们客家的素工字、手工纸，
就是跟纸有关的东西都是了，包括你刚刚讲的金银纸也是一种手工纸，对不对 ？OK， so the handmade paper is also well known in the Hakka culture. This is something I think they should preserve and keep on doing, for a long, long time.
超噶，
对不对？
不过现在比较少，
当然，
像现在在苗栗它就有一个叫做社区博物馆他们就是要复兴这个手工纸，所以呢，在现场他也会展示一些如何造纸啊，然后让大家能够去了解以前的手工纸到底是怎么制造的。
Oh, nice. Okay, so when you go to this area, you should also check out the Miaoli County Museum because within the museum, they teach you about handmade paper, the process of handmade paper, and something you can learn hands-on. So that's very interesting. 就在苗栗县了哈。So let's go ahead and review these terms. 苗栗县的石潭乡，
苗栗县石潭乡，
苗栗县石潭乡 and the handmade paper 手工纸。
素工字
So go check it out, this traditional way of making paper. It's very cool, and I want to go see it myself one day. And that is today's talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.